About this item: the projector remote control with 100% brand new and high quality fits for bank projectors. This remote is not a universal remote. Please make sure that your original remote is 100% the same as the R remote, otherwise they will be not compatible with each other. Compatible with the following bank projectors models: MH530, MH630, MH680, MS3081 Plus, MW519, MW523, MW526, MW526A, MW526E, MW526H, MW529, MW529E, MW571, MW571H, MW621ST, MW663, MW665, MW821ST, MS504, MS504A, MS506, MS507H, MS511H, MS512H, MS514H, MS517, MS517F, MS517H, MS521, MS521P, MS524, MS524A, MS524E, MS527, MS527E, MS616ST, MS619ST, MX503H, MX505, MX518, MX518F, MX520, MX522, MX522P, MX525, MX525A, MX525E, MX528, MX5